Alright guys, guess what it's doing outside today?
Raining out!
Yeah, what's that mean?
I don't know.
What? You get to use your umbrellas!
Yeah!
And your rain boots! And it's cold, so they get to wear their new sweatshirts!
I got to try now. That's hoodie.
Who's excited?
Me.
It's got a hood on the back, huh?
And there's a pull hood on the back too.
Yeah. Who's excited? Too bad it's dark out, so we're not going to be able to see anything when we go outside, huh?
Maybe I can with my umbrella.
Maybe you can with your umbrella, huh?
How is that? Then we're in mud puddle.
Let's go jump in the mud puddles.
Yeah, jump in mud puddles. He died.
Alrighty. Let's get going.
Let's do it.
What's going on?
Wait a minute. It's not raining out today.
It's not even raining out now? Aw, man.
Let's do it.
It was raining when the boys left.
Oh, there's a rain stuff.
Yeah, there's some raindrops right there. Why don't you stand in that? Is it working?
I just want it.
Alright, let's get going. Alright guys, you know it's gonna be a good night when Mom sends you the message. Meet us at Biagio's. I'm gonna try to get some footage in here. I can't promise anything though. But look at this painting, it's pretty cool. So this is painted on the wall here at town. Look, it kind of looks like our house. Did you find a mud puddle, Lola?
Oh, it's got water in it.
Yeah, finally you found a mud puddle. Alright, come on, everybody in the house.
Mommy. Dad, what's the rest of them?
Everybody went in the house, let's go.
Hey, what's the mud puddles at?
They're all gone. Yeah, the girls were pretty excited about it raining when the boys left, but by the time we left, no rain. And when they got home from eating at Biagio's, there was no mud puddles either. So it was a double bad day. So hopefully the next couple days it'll rain and we'll be able to use those umbrellas. Thanks for watching.